Hello everybody. So this is gonna be my update video for the month of March 2021, and I will show you all my trades and my portfolio on Wealthsimple Trade, and I'll show you all the mistakes I made this month because I lost quite a lot of money in this month. And let's start with this. And I just bought a new tablet, man, so I think this video is gonna be nicer than my previous ones. And let's see. So in my Wealthsimple Trade portfolio, I have about $44,000, and this month I deposited $7,000 in my TFSA, and I made a big mistake and I bought a penny stock BES.V, and I messed it up there and lost around $700-800. Other than that, my portfolio is all right. Just one trade that I messed up. I shouldn't go with the penny stocks, but I thought everybody is doing it. Let's do something and maybe it works for me. But I messed up for the first time, so I'm not gonna do it again. So let's start with my RRSP. So I didn't do anything with my RRSP, and I have $29,000 in my RRSP, and it's 5,000 up, 21%. And in TFSA I deposited $15,000 so far, and I'm down $120. That's about 1%. And let's go with the Google sheet. Oh, just one second. I'll show you my track my dividends sheet, and over here you can see that's my portfolio value that I invested, and dividend yield on cost, and the annual income. If nothing changes in my portfolio, that's what I'm going to receive for the year, $1,290. And you can see all the stocks that I have. Ambridge, Fortis, HNR. These are my gains, and dividend yield on cost, annual income from that. So according to this sheet, the most money I'm gonna get, I think from VDY, this stock. Yeah, from this stock I'm already up $760 in this stock, and I'm gonna receive about 5% dividends of all my amount of 135 shares, and I'm gonna receive $205 for the year. And other than that, there's nothing to see here. Let me show you my Google sheet. So on the left you can see that's my Google sheet that I use to track my portfolio, and on the right you can see my Wealthsimple account. So in my TFSA, I'll show you all the mistakes I made this month. So you can see I'm down $120 in my TFSA. So in my TFSA, you can see I bought this stock. I don't usually buy penny stocks, but I thought I have I should spend like 5% of my money in penny stocks. It might work, it might not. I didn't check anything on this stock, and it was so much hype around this stock, and I just bought it. I bought it at a very bad price, 1.33, and it dropped on the same day, and I lost about $765 so far in this stock. I have 1,500 shares, and I'm not trying to sell it so far. I have no idea. I haven't checked what it is exactly, but I think they make batteries, and they had some sort of deals with a company that deals with Tesla, and there was nothing exciting about it, but I just tried to get on the bandwagon, and I lost a lot of money in this. So I'm not gonna sell it. I'm just gonna keep it as a souvenir so I don't make this kind of mistake again. And I might average it down to $1 maybe, because we are not really sure if it's gonna keep if it's gonna keep going down, or it might go up. So we have no idea. So I'm gonna just keep it for some time and see what happens with it. And with this, and you can see, other than that, all my portfolio is in green. I have about $1,000 that's I'm gonna get tomorrow. And let's show my RRSP. So for the month of March, I'm up about $600, like 2% in my RRSP. I didn't change anything. I just bought VFV in my RRSP, and that's why this portfolio is up. So in my TFSA, I'm not gonna buy any penny stocks from now on, and unless I recover my money from one that I bought. And let me show you my activity. So you can see my activity for the month of February and March. I deposited $7,000 in my TFSA, and all I bought was TEC, at VFV, and BES, and that's it. I didn't buy much. So yeah, that's it. And over here you can see my dividends. So for the month of March, I received $75 so far. So I hope in this month I'm gonna get more, around $110 just in dividends. So this is gonna be first month in which I'm gonna receive more than $100 in dividends. So I'm still gonna receive XCI, so about $11. Then VDY. So these two, it's gonna be around $20-25. And then MFC, that's gonna be another like $10-15. So this month I already have $75, and I think I'm gonna get another $30, I guess. And in my portfolio, you can see I'm losing a lot of money in BES, TEC, Fortis, and that's it. Everything else is up. And I'm planning to buy more TEC this month, about maybe 100 more shares, maybe 200 shares more. And I'm planning to get to $50,000 this month. And if I get to 50,000, that's gonna be nice. It's gonna be a nice number. Then I can slow down a little and start researching the companies, because this month I made so many mistakes. I had no idea what is BES. I just wanted to buy some penny stocks. I had no idea what was going in my mind, and I messed up in that. And other than that, everything is okay. And I lost around $800 in my TFSA. So I'm not planning to do that again. And other than that, everything is all right, I guess. And that's about it. I just want to share my portfolio with you guys and show you guys the mistakes I made this month. And I'm planning to not do anything stupid again, but you never know, right? Sometimes these things look so exciting, and I mess up. And other than that, everything is cool. And thank you guys for watching. If you want to suggest some stocks for me, that would be nice. And thank you guys so much for subscribing and everything. And I'll start posting 2 videos from now on. I'll post 1 video around this time of the month, and 1 around 20-25 of the month. And that's about it. I'll share my referral link in the description if somebody wants to join Wealthsimple. That would be nice. And that's about it. That was my portfolio. I just want to share my progress if you guys are following this. And thank you very much for watching the video. Thank you, sir. Have a nice day.